The Excel Level 3C is looking at another add-in, which is Power Pivot. So the idea is we can use Excel to connect or import or load data from a variety of other sources. And we can use Power Query, which is the Excel 3B course, to transform, clean, and manipulate that data. But then we use Power Pivot to be able to create immensely intelligent pivot tables, pivot charts, and present insights for the reader or the person who's absorbing the information. We create things called KPIs, key performance indexes. We also create things called measures and calculated columns. So how they fit is the Excel 3A is bringing in a large amount of data and manipulating that data and using pivot tables and macros, whereas 3B is using Power Query, which really manipulates big data. And then Power Pivot allows you to present that data in a nice, user-friendly, giving data insights. I hope that makes sense.